My name is Tony McDonough, age 68, and I'm from Bolton, United Kingdom. The reason that I went to the doctors was that my left calf muscle was hardening, going very, very hard, difficult to walk, pressure in my calf and my foot. I knew it was to do with diabetes because I'm a type 1 diabetic. Dr. Kakani at Manchester put a trial stent in. Apparently there were 2 stents, as I was told, one with medication, one without. Fortunately for me, the one that he put in was with medication, and it was a complete success. Then I went on to have a problem with right leg. One of Kakani's people did an angioplast with a balloon. That didn't last terribly long. I pushed again and got hold of Kakani and said, could I please have the stent that I got in my left leg in my right leg, because it worked perfectly. So Kakani did the procedure himself and put the same stent in, and it's been fine ever since.
Not just in Tony, but overall I think Eluvia is very unique. The reason why it's unique is because to the naked eye it might look like a bare metal stent, but it is not a bare metal stent. It has a drug which eludes obviously into the vessel slowly over a period of time, and it prevents the stenosis from reoccurring. It prevents the smooth muscles from coming back in and causing neointimal hyperplasia. And we've seen this.
I don't have an issue with walking anywhere these days. Going back to the olden days when I had problems with legs, I'd start off with being able to walk a kilometre, then it was down to 500 metres, then 200, then 100. I used to be counting down. Nowadays, I don't have a problem walking anywhere. So the freedom that gives me is fantastic. In terms of going with grandchild, who's our pride and joy, again, where I was sitting on the sidelines, now I can be outside chasing her around without any problems whatsoever.